Welcome to my channel, y'all. I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this half up, half down look with my V-Part Unis wig. Alright, so before we start, y'all, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you love hair tips or hair DIYs, beauty, anything health and beauty related, hit the subscribe button for future content. So what I have here is just a little, braid up in the back, nothing too crazy, and then my hair out in the front. I'm using this John Frieda Frizz Ease smoothing cream because I'm going to be straightening my hair in the front with my Babyliss. Check out my Babyliss review if you haven't seen that. But that's what I'm going to do. My hair is just washed and blow dried. A little quick braid down in the back. And then I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron this, my hair in the front because this piece is going to be exposed, this part of my hair. So I just want it to be a little sleek. Okay, y'all, so you don't have to super straighten it, but you want it straight enough. And so once you get your hair to a straight point, something reasonable, decent, then you can like use a small comb, like a small tooth rat tail comb, to like kind of comb it up. What I did too was I like kind of just combed it up into where I want my top ponytail to be. So if you want it super high in the front, if you want to lay back a little bit, you can decide that. And so once I figure out where exactly I want it to be, I'm going to, just try to get my hair as straight as possible using the rat tail comb and then a brush. And then I'm going to go in with some of this edge control just to kind of get my hair super sleek. I'm not using any Gots to Be for this look. I don't want a super hard, can't move style. That's not what I'm going for. And I'll tell y'all, because as I record this voiceover, my hair is still like this and it's in place. All you have to do is wear a scarf that night. You don't need to put a bunch of Gots to Be or anything like that. And I use a pretty good edge control, not even too much, but yeah, you don't need Gots to Be all the time. So this is Easy Edges that I'm using. Scoop a little bit out of the jar. I rub it into the palm of my hands and then rub my hands on my hair. If you want to do your edges or leave edges out, cool. For this look here, I'm not doing any like crazy edges. I'm just putting a little bit around my edges first, just so my edges can lay, but I'm not doing swoops and all that. I'm just doing a straight back. And then as your, the days go on, you can always add a little bit of edge action, but I just want a little sleek, regular polish look for this. I'm not trying to do too much. So once you get your edge control, you got your ponytail in the position you want it, just go in with a, a firm brush, but this one isn't too hard. It's a little, it's like medium firm, medium soft. Now y'all will see, initially I was going to go with a look that wrapped my hair around the ponytail, so it has like you don't see the scrunchie. But I didn't want that look. Like, this is a everyday look I'm going for me. I didn't want anything too dramatic. Like if I was going to an event or something, that would be different. So y'all going to see me wrap it a little bit, and then I'm gonna change my mind for the end look, because I think it was because my hair is so thick, my natural hair, and I didn't want a super dramatic look going into the office, because I do still work my 9 to 5. And I was like, nah, that'll be good for the weekend, for a brunch or something, but not for the everyday. So I just brushed my hair right on up into the ponytail, put a little gel around my edges just to give it a little bit of like direction and to smooth it up a little bit. A little bit of sideburn action, nothing too crazy. I'm just trying to get this part as sleek as possible. Again, we don't need it to be, unmovable, but as sleek as possible. So this is my V-part wig that I got. I think I did a video on this on my channel. I gotta go back and check, but I just washed it right here, so it's still a little bit wet. But this is my V-part Eunice wig. Video not sponsored, by the way, and I bought this wig myself. Just showing y'all how it looks in the inside. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to put it in as if it's a half wig. I'm using the clips, the comb, the back comb where it would normally go. And then there's 2 side combs, so I'm putting those like at the top sides of my half up, half down, and then I'm just clamping on the top pieces. So what I had to do, because this is technically a full wig and not a half wig, I had to like do some bobby pin action to make sure it was snug. Even though I have the combs, I have the clamps, I had to, like in the back, I had to do some bobby pin action to like super tighten it so it's, like a smaller fit. And this is the final look. So what I did was and I realized I didn't really show y'all. So all I did was added some hair from the back of the wig, from the top of the wig, added some hair with my hair at the top to make the ponytail, and just use the scrunchie. So pretty much took a little bit of hair from the back, added it with my hair, and put it all in the scrunchie together, and then flat iron my hair with this hair so it blends. And that's how you can see right here. If y'all have seen the ponytail videos, that's all I did. I just took some of the hair from the wig, put it together with my hair, brushed it real good, put the scrunchie on, and then flat iron everything to make it look like a cohesive look. I do want to curl wand this half up, half down style, but just let me know what y'all think. It's super quick and easy. Again, y'all saw the braid down in the back. I flat ironed the front of my hair, and I'm sorry I didn't show the, I think I got frustrated because I was going to do the wraparound like I said, and I just took that part completely out. But yeah, just grabbed a little bit of hair from the top of the wig, put it with my hair, brushed it good, and then wrap the scrunchie around both, pull my hair through. So my hair is at the top of the ponytail, and then the wig hair is in the back. But because this wig, get something that blends with your hair, and just make sure you're curling it or straightening it all in the same direction. And this is what I got. If y'all want a more detailed video on this, let me know. But there are ponytail videos out here to show y'all how to attach the hair. But it's super simple. Like I said, I just explained it. In this top part of the ponytail is just my hair and the wig. The back is all the wig. And I think it's a cute, simple look. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all in my next video.